Start nicely.
My turn.
Go now, fast. Go, Theodore, go. You got now. Don't cut your finger, huh? See, you might cut your finger, huh? Put in the handi now.
I want to put.
Let her put.
You put it. Yeah.
You might,
What you doing?
wait, I will do now. Wait.
Dada.
Wait, do.
Good girl. I take. I want to do this.
Don't do it like that and don't this.
Please.
You just see now how Zemyrah doing.
No.
Very good. Now what you're cutting?
Garlic.
Okay, cut fast. What you're cutting, Theodore?
Garlic.
Yeah, cut.
You're putting garlic now.
Okay. Very good.
Why we have to put ginger and garlic?
We have to put ginger and garlic to cure the cold, and if anybody is sick, then it is has healing benefit.
We don't have, only Mama sick.
No problem, but it's benefiting your life and benefiting your health.
Then
Okay?
we can eat as much as ice cream as we want.
No, but this will help you to be not sick.
So then we'll never get sick?
No, if you eat ginger. Theodore, what you're doing?
I'm peeling this.
Peeling what you're peeling?
Onion. Onion.
Very good. Cut.
This side?
Yeah. No. Keep it like that. Cut. Small do.
Where is the phone? Can I have ice cream?
No ice cream. 3.
Now we are going to put the onion into the bowl.
Into the handi. Put.
Put it fast. Now this is for you to put. Thank you.
Now you have to put oil. Put oil.
I'll tell her when to stop.
Put.
Put more.
Put more. Okay.
Enough.
Stir.
Yummy.
Okay, very good. Now what you have to put?
The chicken.
Put inside. Put first.
I have to drop it.
Yeah, drop it. Don't guess. What you have to put now?
Ginger garlic paste.
Okay, put half packet. Yeah, put.
More?
Put. Yes, enough.
Now we have to put
Say.
Now we have to put 1 liter water into the whatever.
Yes.
Whatever.
Handi.
And now
Put.
it's going to make a soup. See?
Put.
Now again we have to add 1 liter of water. No,
One more water.
1 liter.
Okay, up. Put, no problem.
Now we have to wipe it.
Wipe it,
But
yes.
in the video we can't drop out when
When you become big, you cannot drop, huh? Wipe nicely. Nicely wiped. Very good.
Now we have Madura sauce, tomato sauce, all types of
Garlic chili.
sauce. Garlic chili, green chili, and also tamarind sauce
and soya sauce.
And soya sauce. All types
And
of
Maggi cube.
and Maggi cube also. Now,
What you will put first?
Madura sauce.
Put.
More?
Enough.
Okay. Give me that. Now,
Sit.
after the Madura sauce, we are putting the tomato sauce.
Put.
Yes. More?
Enough.
Now we have to put the ginger garlic sauce.
Put first. Enough.
Put the green chili sauce.
To do what you have to put?
Green chili sauce.
Okay, put. Little put.
Enough.
Enough.
Green
What you have to put now?
tamarind sauce.
Okay.
A bit in it.
Little. You can put tamarind paste also on tamarind. Yes, enough.
Next we open this. No wait.
Next you have to put the soya sauce. Little only. Go put.
Put soya.
Enough.
Now we have to put the
Maggi cube.
Maggi cube.
Put. Very good. And what you are putting now?
Now we are going to put one spoon of salt.
Yeah.
2 spoons this one.
No. Okay, put. Little more put. Put in that. Put first. Sit.
Now we are going to mix it.
Hold. One hold. Hold. Mix. Mix.
I'm mixing. Mix it good. It's coming down. Yeah, because the soya sauce is so much. Now
Okay.
we'll taste it.
Now put directly inside there.
Yodo.
Hold both this. Hold. And put. Very good.
Now we have to mix it. Now
Mix
I'm
it.
mixing because remember.
Don't this, huh? The whole thing will fall on you.
Now,
What
now
you are
I'm
putting,
putting
Theodore?
pepper.
Turn that. Very good. Keep it down. Falling, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
That thing breaks the pepper inside.
Yeah, I mix powder.
Now we
And
need
then
to
you have to
mix
stir it.
Stir it.
Let it boil. Let the vegetable boil, and the soup is ready to
Eat.
drink.
Drink and eat both.
Wait.
We wait till it boils and then we add chopped coriander.
Put.
Now I also want to put.
You also put.
Spread it everywhere.
Mm.
Mwah.
Yes. Give Kishu. Theodore, give Kishu. Yeah, very good. And Zemyrah, give Kishu. Very good. Both of y'all hug now. Hug, both of y'all.
Okay.
Hug Ray. Very